Imagine your production line operating smoothly and efficiently until a single faulty capacitor sparks a firestorm of warranty claims. In electronics and appliances manufacturing, one misstep can trigger recalls, fines, and lost trust. Spreadsheets and paper checklists only increase the risk. But QualityPro QMS for electronics and appliances can fix that. Its document control brings every critical document into one secure hub, so you're always working with the correct revision. When defects arise, complaint management captures each report instantly and routes it into non-conformance and CAPA, which pinpoints root causes and pushes corrective actions before the next batch runs. Calibration and inspection keep gauges and sensors within tolerance, ensuring compliance. With audit management, you schedule reviews and the system highlights any gaps. Rolling out a new model or firmware update. Training and change management certifies your team on every change. And risk management spots potential failures long before they stop production. The result is fewer defects, seamless compliance, faster time to market, and unshakable customer trust. Elevate your electronics and appliances quality with QualityPro by TechWork.